So I got another how-to video. It's been a while. I need to get back on the subject of how-to videos. Everybody enjoys them, and sometimes a lot of people need to know what they're doing. And do you hear that car coming? Do you? Give it a second. Listen. You don't have to turn the sound up, or as it pulls off. You can hear this car, no joke, 12 miles down the highway. Here it comes. Is it gonna go by? Nope, it's stopping. So, did you hear it? Anyway, it's loud. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to take this master switch out of your Dodge Durango. Now this door is off. Of course, yours is gonna be on a car. Hopefully it's on the car. Maybe it's not. Maybe you're at a junkyard and you found one set next to the car. Who knows? I ain't psychic. If I was, I wouldn't be selling used car parts on eBay and making YouTube videos. I'd be in stocks and playing the lotto. This is a pretty simple procedure. All you need is a one-way, a single-way, a pry bar, whatever you call this thing. It's all you need. Some people call it a pocket knife. You know, I don't call it a pocket knife, so I can't use a pocket knife. But if you use a pocket knife, be careful. And you want to pry up on this gently. It's like so. You can use a plastic clip tool too. They work out good, so you don't scratch and damage your panel. But we're just going to get in under this enough. You can see the clip. Do you see it? It's about midway right there. So once you get it popping, it'll come. Just be gentle and not break it. Come on. Come on. Come on now. There we go. Oh, never mind. They bolt on from the inside. See? Good thing you watch this video. You might make a mistake. Like I did. Luckily, I took and seen the clip, and I just pried it down and popped the bolt out. You can damage it and break it. This didn't break. So let's go ahead and take the door panel off. Now, to take the door panel off, I ain't never done a Dodge Durango. This is the passenger side too, by the way. Most cars, this pops off. Right here. Is that another inside thing? It's got a four-way inside here. So you need to remove that. Maybe this one way will work. Let's see what we can do with it. Can we? Ugh, yeah, it works. Making do with what tools we got on hand. And you want to keep your bolts because you got to put them back in if you're going to reuse this. But for me, I'm not. This is a parts door. You know, this is a little four-way, a Phillips head. And you see inside though, this won't work. I need a four-way. I just happen to have one. Is it turning? Ah, is now. Is now. Okay. We take that off. Get that bolt out. We are bolt free. I went the bolt to the abyss. Found it. Okay. We got the. We know this don't come out like that, so we gotta leave that here. The bolt here looks like. This one way gonna bring it. Is it? Ah, it is. I said before, I don't know what shape this door is in. It's a parts door. I know it's got a dent on the bottom. Look like there's some goodies down in there. Nothing I'm worried about. I ain't worried about this door panel. But for the sake of the video, you know, let's see. Does it pick straight up? Or pop loose? Pops loose? Feels up. Let's see. On the inside here, you got plug-ins you're going to have to unplug. And this, I guess, shifter rod, door opening rod, whatever you want to call it. That fires like that, then you fire up. And then you unplug these right here. but I'm not unplugging them because I sell on eBay. And this window switch is going to come with some extra plugs. In case you broke your plug, you now can fix it. Inside here is a 4-way bolt, 4-way, so it's 3 of them. Cool thing is, this switch is going to come with bolts. And this is riveted in. I feel sorry if this ever breaks. But we ain't worried about that. We're worried about this switch. Here we go. And here we go. And that switch can be pulled out. Go over here to the LS swap rollback. Anyway, which I call my work table most of the time because I do a lot of work on this rollback bed. You know, I always got stuff sitting on it, using it as a workbench. But today, it's a YouTube video workbench. Oh, hell. Hold still. Got it. It's hard to do one-handed. So now to unplug these, if you're switching this, you need to just mash down on these tabs right here and pull out, and it will come out. See? Just like so. And this is the other side. It comes out the same way. Your part number is down there at the bottom, right here. And it's got the Chrysler emblem. This is a factory OEM switch. Feels great. Should be a good replacement switch. So if you're in the market, oh, that's a Ford, by the way. It's not getting parted out. No, that's for videos for the YouTube channel. But the Dodge Durango did get parted out. This switch right here. That's it. That's my new thumbnail. Oh, it's got to be a good thumbnail. How about? Okay, that's a good thumbnail. Anyway, we'll be on my eBay store in the description below if you're in the market for one of these. You know, I don't know if it's still going to be on now when you see this video, or if you even need this. You might be watching it just because you're subscribing and enjoy my content. And maybe one day you might need to know how to remove this. But it does come with the bolts. You can see all the tabs is good, and you get a how-to video.